This is Video Investigation 4 by Isabel Romero, Telling Time by Geological Aging. The law of superpositioning is understood as being undisturbed layers of sedimentary rock, the younger layers on top, while the older layers being on the bottom. The law of original horizontality also is understood as most sediments, when originally formed, were laid down horizontally, as we see in the image here. We know that sedimentary rocks that are not horizontal either were formed in special ways or were moved from their horizontal position by later events, such as tilting during the episode of mountain building. We can see here on the lower right side of the image, the layers have been tilted. Geological observations would need to be done of the area to determine the age of the layers. Cross-cutting, any geological feature is younger than anything else it cuts across. So in this case here, we can see that the rock is older than the intrusion lines we see in the image here. Inclusions. These smaller pieces within a rock would be older than the actual rock itself. The smaller pieces would have been formed prior to being intruded into the larger rock, thus making the rock younger. Here we see another example of where it's actually been cut through and we have smaller pieces of inclusions. Thus far, the rock we have been reviewing is actually rock from the Grand Canyon. Radiometric aging identifies in years when specific events have occurred. The surrounding available material and index fossils contain radioactive material that can be dated. There are some areas in the Grand Canyon that are not reliable for relative aging, so we've used radiometric dates that exist for sedimentary rocks, so their age are determined by the index fossils. Here we have a quick recap of the different fossils that would be found during the different eras. And here's my works cited. Thank you.